I think the Canyon can do with a bit of a clean actually, so I might give it some TLC later on this week. I think wide would be enough. I hope this works. Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm back out again at Pickworth Plot. Today I'm going to be using the DJI Osmo 360 camera. Traditionally I've not had much success with 360 cameras. I know a few YouTube channels that I follow use the 360 cameras pretty much in every video, and it does look really good, but I can never really get to grips with them. However, let's see if DJI can change my mind. I'm going to try doing this one-handed, so I'm just going to push the power on. As you can see, we've got me, we've got a bug as well. On photo at the moment, so the options are 360, super night, selfie mode, there's all sorts of vortex, time-lapse, single lens, again, video. That's boost, which is exactly the same as what you get on the DJI Action 5 Pro and the DJI Pocket as well, night mode. Currently in 8K 50 in super wide, or wide. So you can go ultra wide, wide, and de-warp. I think wide will be enough. Obviously 8K, whether that comes out in 8K is another question. The other stuff we've got, obviously as you were, D-Log M, 10-bit of course, color recovery, thank God. Just tick that. Image adjustment -1 as always. Anti-motion blur on. I've got white balance at 52. That's nice and dandy. One thing I did discover though, when I scroll to that, this thing has got 105 gigabytes, so I'm guessing 28 gigabyte free storage. Obviously you have 25 gigabyte of that set up for the menu system and whatnot, but yeah, much better. In fact, I've not even got an SD card in this one, so perfect. Voice command, obviously another good thing is if you've got wireless earbuds, I think these are the AirPods, Apple AirPods, you can use them as a playback, and also the microphone from what I understand as well, but we'll not bother with that. Brightness, obviously we've got the grid on, of course, all the normal stuff you would come to expect from the DJI range these days. Well, there we go. Thank you very much for viewing today. Hope you've enjoyed watching me test out some more camera equipment. All I do is camera equipment. I don't know what it is. But yeah, great fun. Hopefully it's come out okay. If it's come out okay, you'll see it as a video. If it's come out horrendously bad, it might be a YouTube short. Let's put it that way. But anyway, that's enough from me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.